All right. So we spent some time now working with the higher order roots, cube roots, fourth roots, fifth roots, etc. We've also learned how to simplify, multiply, and divide them. Now let's move on to adding and subtracting. When we add and subtract higher order roots, the same thing applies with square roots. So I'm just going to do a quick example. You don't need to write this down. So let's say we have the square root of 3 plus 2 square roots of 3. These are considered like radicals. They have the same index. They're both square roots. So we take the coefficients out in front. 1 plus 2 square root of 3. 2 plus 3 is 3, square roots of 3. So we've done problems like this already. Now we're going to go ahead and change it. We're going to increase the root. We're talking cube roots. So these are considered like radicals, but they don't have the same radicand. They're both not the same number underneath the radical. So we have to maybe do some simplifying first. So let's go ahead and simplify these radicals down. So 5 cube root. Now let's break down 16. 16 can be rewritten as 8 times 2. Now 8 can be written as 2 cubed and then a 2 left. All right, we're looking for a group of 3. So here's my index, here's my power. So this 2 is going to pop out. That's a perfect cube root. This one does not have a power of 3, so that stays underneath. Now 5 times 2 is 10, cube root of 2. All right, we've simplified it. Now, do we have to do any simplifying with this radical? Nope. That is still minus 11 cube root of 2. So I'm going to skip all those steps, bring it down, minus 11 cube root of 2. Now let's check. Do these two radicals look alike? Yes. They're considered like radicals. They have the same index. They're both cube roots. They have the same radicand. They're both at 2. So we can go ahead and do what we did in that previous example. You look at their coefficients. 10 minus 11. Do the operation, 10 minus 11. And then the radical comes along for the ride, cube root of 2. So 10 minus 11 in that parentheses is negative 1, cube root of 2. Now, I would say you probably should drop that that 1 and just change it to negative cube root of 2. Looks more